So, you're ready to take your art digital in 2025, but your old tablet feels more lag than line? Whether you're a pro illustrator, a graphic designer, or just getting started with digital sketching, the right drawing tablet can completely change the game. And no, they're not all the same. Some have screens, some don't. Some are ultra premium. Others punch way above their price. After testing a bunch of them hands-on, from buttery OLED displays to screenless workhorses, these are the 5 drawing tablets I'd actually recommend this year. Let's get into it. Starting off with something different. The Xencelabs Pen Tablet Bundle isn't flashy, it doesn't even have a screen, but it packs an experience that feels tailored for creatives. You get 2 battery-free pens, a drawing glove, and the game changer, the Quick Keys remote. It's a separate controller with a dial and customizable shortcuts that actually speeds up your workflow in apps like Photoshop or Clip Studio. The pen's pressure response? Excellent. The surface has just enough texture to feel like real paper, and that slight curve in the tablet body? Surprisingly comfy on the wrist during long sessions. If you don't mind drawing while looking at a separate monitor and want premium tools without a premium screen, this is a setup that just works. You don't need to drop $1,000 to get a solid drawing screen in 2025. The Kamvas Pro 13 from Huion is living proof. It's got a bright 2.5K QHD display, supports 8,192 pressure levels, and even has plus to 60 degrees of tilt support. The stylus? Feels great, no charging required. You also get a touch bar and customizable express keys to help navigate your canvas more efficiently. Now, yeah, it needs to be connected to a computer, and you're not getting 4K or ultra-wide color. But for under $300, this thing punches way above its weight. I tested it doing character art and some light video frame sketching. It kept up without skipping a beat. If you're on a tight budget but still want a pen-on-screen experience, this is where you start. Let's be real, Wacom is still the standard for many professionals, and the Intuos Pro is their most refined screenless tablet. This thing is built like a tank but feels feather-light on your desk or lap. It uses the legendary Pro Pen 2, with 8,192 levels of pressure and almost zero lag. It honestly feels like drawing with real ink, minus the mess. I used it for some client logo work, and the ability to map the shortcut buttons and pen to my exact preferences made everything smoother. You'll need to connect it to a computer, of course, but the muscle memory you build with this tablet? Insane. It's not trendy, but it's reliable. And if you care about control and precision more than flashy screens, this is still one of the best tools out there. Alright, if you're the kind of artist who wants the absolute best drawing display, stop scrolling. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is a monster in all the right ways. We're talking a 4K resolution display, 99% Adobe RGB color accuracy, and that signature glass-on-pen feel that no other brand quite nails. The screen's massive, immersive, and doesn't just look good. It's a legit tool for animation, game design, or anything where detail matters. I storyboarded with this tablet on a real project, and the line response was as good as pencil on paper, maybe better. And Wacom's drivers? Still top tier in terms of reliability. It's expensive, no doubt. But if you want to invest in your art the same way filmmakers invest in lenses, this is the one to beat. At the top of the list, the new iPad Pro. Yeah, I said it. With the Apple M4 chip, a 120Hz OLED display, and Apple Pencil Pro support, this tablet isn't just fast, it's fluid. The Pencil Pro adds new tricks like gyroscopic barrel roll and custom haptics, which let you feel each brushstroke in a way that's weirdly immersive. I sketched, painted, and edited high-res video on this thing, and it never broke a sweat. The color accuracy is nuts. Plus, you can carry it anywhere and just draw. No cables, no setup. Sure, it's pricey, and yeah, it's not a traditional drawing tablet, but in 2025, if I had to pick one device for creativity, portability, and power, this is it. Full stop. So, whether you're just starting out or you're deep into pro workflows, there's a tablet here that'll match your style, your setup, and your budget. From entry-level heroes to OLED beasts, 2025 is stacked with options. What are you drawing on this year? Still rocking a screenless tablet or making the jump to a 4K display? Drop your setup in the comments. I want to see what you're creating with. And hey, if this helped you, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, keep sketching, and never run out of layers.